Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Today, I just got in my brand new KB pistons, Keith Black pistons, right here. There we go. So the 360 engine block is actually still at the machine shop, and tomorrow I'm taking the old pistons because they have the connecting rods with them, and they're a press fit connecting rod. So I'll be taking the new pistons, which are 30 over, and the old pistons to the machine shop so they can change them out for me, because I know Uncle Tony and a whole bunch of other people here on YouTube so I can do them myself. Yeah, these are guys that actually have done this before and know what they're doing. Again, I'm not sure if I've explained this to you or not. I'm mechanically inclined, but basically I'm an idiot, and so I don't want to screw this up. Also, unfortunately, I will not be doing the stroker kit on this 360 because simply it's out of my price range. 2 years ago, when I priced everything out, the entire rotating assembly was $1,800. To get it now, just 2 years later, is $3,800, and I can't afford that. I really can't. But I went with these Keith Black pistons, and with the 5cc valve relief on them, but basically flat top with the 5cc valve relief on them. On the LA heads with the 72cc chamber, this should bring my compression ratio up to 9.8 to 1. Alright, and the you see that right there? What that wrist pin is? And up here it's a little bit higher, so the piston's going to come up a little bit higher in the engine block than the old smog engine pistons are as well. In other words, if everything was the same and these pistons just look like this, I'd still maybe be running 8.5, 8.8, maybe 9 to 1 with these. But these pistons here, and where the wrist pin is set up on it, they come up a little bit higher, and so that increases my compression ratio to about 9.8 to 1. It's a little bit higher than what I wanted, but for the price, what I can afford, and still using the LA heads with the 72cc combustion chamber, that's the best I can do. So you always make compromises when you're putting an engine together. Of course, unless you either have a big YouTube channel or you have somebody sponsoring you. I have neither. So I'm just a, you know, I've told you this before, I'm just a regular old moron, friggin' idiot, that's doing the best I can with what I have, and that includes both brains and equipment and finances. So I'm doing the best I can. But anyway, stay tuned, because tomorrow, today is Sunday, tomorrow I'm going to drop them pistons off at the machine shop. They're going to swap out all 8 of them for me. and I get them together, and hopefully it won't be too long before I get the engine block back, and we'll start putting this thing together and see what happens. Alright, y'all, and hey, thank you everyone for subscribing and sticking with me. Again, I'm just your plain old regular everyday Joe, trying to do best I can with what I have. And it's not only automotive, you know, it's other things I do as well. And thank everyone, I really do appreciate. Hell, I'm over 300 subscribers, and I'm starting to think that I might have to actually make a few more professional videos with all these followers, all these subscribers, because my original intent was just kind of like home movies, and that was just something I could throw up on YouTube and say, hey guys, since you're over here, watch this, and just kind of piss off my family, so that they would sit there and go, oh God, no, I don't want to watch this again. But obviously there's over 300 of you that think for whatever reason this is at least entertaining, if not informative, and hey, maybe y'all just like laughing at an idiot like me trying to do stuff. That's cool too. But eventually I'll try to do better. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you everyone for supporting me and subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. And so this will prove I'm an idiot.